What's up everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how clock numbers can be effective when looking for your hits. They will be at the end of this video, so make sure y'all write them down or save this video in your history. So let's jump right into it. I know most of you are probably asking yourself, what are clock numbers? Well, clock numbers are numbers that are written down in pick 3 form from your ticking clock from 1 to 12. The reason I want to share this with you guys is because if you want to play a number but didn't know how you wanted to play them, then you can go to your list of clock numbers and look and see what order the number is in and play it exact from the list of clock numbers. Now, not all the numbers are on the clock number list except the ones that goes from 1 to 59. Those are the ones that mostly hit in the pick 3 lottery. Here's an example. On February the 26th, 2022, 300 hit daytime. In section 3 and section 0, it gives you the order that the number came, but you can still choose to play them 50 cent or a dollar anyway just to better your chances. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I chose to skip episode 16. The reason I chose to do that is because it will be kind of a long video of me explaining the Simon surround system, and it will be up for you guys soon. Make sure to jot down the clock numbers at the end of this video, and as always, thanks for watching and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love